In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Gmail or Outlook for email integration. We'll walk through the Outlook flow, and if you use Gmail, the process is nearly identical. Before we begin, make sure you're working in the specific board where you want emails to be automated. Integrations in Monday.com are set up per board, so choose the one that holds the items and updates you want to trigger emails from. Start by opening your workspace and navigating to that board. At the top of the board, look for the Integrate button. This opens the Integrations Center, where you'll see tiles for different apps. Select Outlook to proceed. If your team uses Gmail, you can pick Gmail here instead. The next steps will mirror what you're about to see. You'll now see a list of integration recipes. Think of these as ready-made automations that pair a trigger in Monday.com with an email action. For example, you might send an email when a status changes or when a new item is created. Browse the options and click the one that best fits your use case. Choosing the right recipe up front will save you setup time later. After selecting a recipe, click Connect. Monday.com will prompt you to sign in so it can securely send emails on your behalf. Use the Outlook or Microsoft 365 account that should send these emails. If your organization manages permissions centrally, you may see a request for admin approval. Simply follow the prompts or contact your admin. Also, be sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since the sign-in window may open in a new tab. Enter your Outlook account credentials and grant the requested permissions. This allows Monday.com to send messages and handle basic email actions tied to your automation. When you return to Monday.com, the recipe will ask for a few details. Complete any required fields, such as who the email should go to, the subject line, and the message content. You can usually insert dynamic fields from your board, like item name, owner, or status, so each email is personalized automatically. Once everything looks good, finish the setup to add the integration to your board. You'll see it listed in the board's integrations panel, where you can toggle it on or off and edit it later if your process changes. If you're using Gmail instead of Outlook, select the Gmail tile at the start and connect your Google account when prompted. The configuration steps and tips are the same. That's it. You've connected Monday.com to your email, so updates on your board can now drive time.